Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. I love waking up in the morning to see my sourdough bread dough looking like this. It's nice and bubbly and I left it to rise overnight. So now I stretch and fold it in the bowl to make it easier to lift up and put in my banneton, which I then put in the fridge. These are nice gluten strands and the dough is nice and firm. And this is what you should look for when you are making sourdough. Okay, now it's in the bowl shape. I can now place it in my banneton and then put it in the fridge. This step I did not show, but I've shown it in previous videos. And it's been now in the fridge for a few hours and I'm getting it out. I'm putting it on some baking paper, which I'll then use in my roaster. This is rice flour on the bread. And then I get my razor blade. You can use a craft knife or a lame with a blade. I'm using this razor blade. And I'm just going to think of a pattern now that I can do. So I'm going to just start all the way down across in the middle. And then down again into quarters. And then I think I'll do a triangle-ish shape. Yeah, I'll make the sides a bit longer all the way down and just make it nice and simple. And I'm going to do it on each quarter, turning my bread as I go. It doesn't have to be very deep like the middle one because I don't really want them to open up as much as the middle scoring. Okay, now it's ready. And now I'm going to lift this up and put it in my enamel roaster. And close the lid. And then I'm going to bake this in the oven at about 200 degrees for about 45 minutes. If it's preheated, if it's not preheated, about 50 to 55 minutes. And then voila, this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. It opened up exactly as I expected. And I'm going to now get it out, put it on a cooling rack, leave it to cool completely. I don't cut it hot because I like to see the nice defined slices when I cut it. Okay, it has cooled down and now I'm going to slice it. Sourdough can be quite hard to cut, especially all the way down. So just cut it and then I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. It's looking very good. It's nicely baked through. These big holes are caused by bubbles. You know the bubbles, if you don't pop them, this can happen. And I didn't pop all of them. But if you want to avoid that, you just pop your bubbles while you shape your bread. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.